been out to count. From out the womb, out to school, right to out the house. And no one picked me up, they told me I would never get it. So I just took it now, I'm a motherfucking credit. Ain't never gonna change my course, full speed tunnel vision, I'm a racing horse. I aim to kill, don't play the sport, I don't know what it is y'all waiting for. Nobody gonna hold your hand, I did it, I stole my chance. I took it and ran, I played them all, I took a stand. Y'all smart, y'all shook, y'all played the stand. Fuck all your plans, go ahead, go call your mans. Might as well call the ambulance, I'll break you down, I'll take you out. Y'all never really had a chance, I'm sorry. One more, we can take it to war. I don't know what the fuck y'all take me for. I'll get my mind, I'll take what's yours. I'll pull your plug from ice point. I stayed hungry, nothing changed me, call me Young Shady. I don't give a fuck either way, no pay me. I've been involved, I played a part, I took the hits, I did it all, the waiting's off. Now give me this, give me this. I thought I told you. See, I could quit now and be a chump motherfucker, but I'd rather reload and just dump motherfucker. Wagging their fingers, hating, laughing and think they break me. Half of them couldn't keep my pace if I was out there waiting. I always hear them doubting, they don't know shit about me. They won't respect you till you hopping in that brand new Audi. But if it's all they want, they got it, baby, scenes present. I just hope they don't mind the heat or for the sake of heaven. I've come to get it out for blood, I am done pursuing. The time is now, so they focus on just how I do it. I'm out of